Ready to unlock a treasure trove of free goodies on Temu? Let's dive in. First, fire up the Temu app and navigate to the U section. It's usually at the bottom center or right corner of your screen. Once there, locate the Earn Credits and Free Gifts button and tap on it. This is your gateway to a world of freebies. Now, explore the different games and promotions. Available games like Fishland and Farmland reward you with free items for consistent participation. Think of it as a fun, rewarding hobby. Don't forget about the referral program. Share your unique referral code with friends and family. When they sign up and make a purchase, you earn rewards that can be redeemed for free gifts. Keep an eye out for pop-up promotions and special offers. Within the app, Temu frequently offers free gifts for completing simple tasks like making a purchase or leaving a review. Regularly browse the app and add items you want to your cart. Sometimes, Temu offers targeted promotions where you can get a discount or even a free item when you reach a certain cart value. By consistently using these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to scoring amazing free gifts on Temu and maximizing your savings. Happy shopping, and enjoy your freebies.